What's up, guys? Today we're going to be saying about what some might call as our trashy 6-inch elbow tip that we got pointed to the moon. Now, as far as the comments go, y'all are very divided on this one. Some of y'all absolutely love it and some of y'all cannot stand it, but it is a very popular look in the diesel scene currently, and it all originates from diesel drag racing on the strip where you don't want to black out your opponent, so they turn the pipe or the tip up to the sky. And of course, that gets trickled down to the street trucks, and then you have this. Now, when you first install it, if you're like myself, you're like, dang, this is the sickest thing that I've ever done. You can blow smoke up into the sky. It looks sick. It gets attention, all the good stuff, right? And then possibly some time passes and you might see your truck from farther off where it's all just hanging down and your perspective might change on it. So I've pretty much passed that threshold of time and I'm ready for this thing to go. But in its place, a 6-inch, we're going to be putting on this 8-inch. Absolute monster. This is literally like holding a small child. It is freaking huge, but we're not going to turn it up like this one. We're going to put it like the factory exhaust. And I think it's going to pair perfectly with the big stuffed 37s. Even though this is potentially a more gaudy tip because it is so big, I think it's going to turn out a lot cleaner. So let's go ahead and snatch that 6-inch off and try to finagle our 5-inch pipe to make this thing fit like we want it. Let's go ahead and zip this baby off. Beautiful. And then let's just slip this guy on and see how off we are. Holy freaking crap. That is a monster. Is this real life right now? Holy crap. That is freaking huge, but clearly not angled correctly, not nearly tucked enough in. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen, I don't know why I said that weird. We're gonna loosen up our pipe and try to finagle this guy. And then we're gonna cut our pipe down so that it's right up here instead of being like halfway through this, because that's gonna give us the best sound, having that fully open up into the tip. So let's get to finagling. Or do we just leave her like this? Oh my gosh, that looks freaking hilarious. Why do I kind of like that better than the 6? It kind of just, all right, stop. I need to stop myself. We're gonna make this thing actually clean and not just outrageously gaudy. I ain't gonna lie though, I do like it. Why do I like that better than the 6-inch turned up like that? Okay, we're not, no playing, we're not. Okay, let's finagle it, let's get it tucked in clean. Let's actually have this thing looking nice.
I'm in the lane, they ain't built to replace. Neck on freeze and the wrist on lay. They was asleep, now I'm all in their face. Came from the bottom, I handle the weight. Now when I talk, they record a phrase. I'm in that mode and I'm stuck in that phase. Bank account look like a highlight tape. Everything grown, no minimum wage. Jumped in that water and learned how to wave. Now I'm too smooth, I'm ahead of the pace. Money keep calling, I'm answering quick. A new move, got them studying this. I don't do talk, I just walk with a drift. Came from the ground, now I'm built like a brick. When they see me, got them closing their lips. I've been thumbing through this page. Got my fingers feeling crampy. I just made another play. That little flip thing came in handy. I ran it up, then ran it again. Never gonna stop, I'm just stacking the wins. Whole lot of checks, I ain't using no pen. Whole lot of shine when I step, that's the trend. Diamond singing like Mariah Carey. I hit the hustle, I double the count. I used to struggle, but look at me now. Everything built from the mud to the mount. I ran it up, then ran it again. Never gonna stop, I'm just stacking the wins. Whole lot of checks, I ain't using no pen. Whole lot of shine when I step, that's the trend. Diamond singing like Mariah Carey. I hit the hustle, I double the count. I used to struggle, but look at me now. Everything built from the mud to the mount.
First start up with a big tip. Let's see how she sounds. Dude, it absolutely sounds different. The rumble before the hiss kicked in, much more lumpy. It's way more throaty. Before, very, very hissy. Now it's got a proper lump to it. I have not even driven this truck down the road yet, but I already know how big of a difference it's gonna make. Oh my God. I can't wait to make her Chewbacca war cry. I mean, honestly, I wasn't even expecting it to be this big of a difference. This might be the biggest change I've ever had with doing any different exhaust tip on any vehicle ever. Dude, I am tickled. I originally thought we might not keep this. We would just do it for a video. But purely based off of sound, this sucker is staying. All right, now she's not up to temp yet, so we're taking it easy. And the mud grabs take over. Dude, she loves the graps. I don't know why, but she just loves the graps on here. Holy freaking crap, dude. This thing is a screamer now. She's just whistling her freaking head off. That's insane. All right, guys, well, there she is. I definitely think it sounds better, like all the way around. And honestly, I think it looks even better. I kind of had it envisioned that it was gonna go really good or really bad. It was either gonna be super gaudy or it was gonna go like I thought and being just nice and clean, pairing well with the big 37s. And I'm sure it's too big for some, but I think it looks pretty freaking good. Will that last, you know, months or years? We'll just have to see. If you got any other cool ideas for a tip style that we should run, drop them down below. Maybe we'll swap it up again. I obviously welded this one on there because I did decide that I liked it enough. So yeah, we'll have to do some cutting and stuff to get this one off, but I'm happy with it. I think it looks really good. It sounds good, and I'm not missing the turned up tip at all. That was a good experience, but I'm glad it's gone. So with that said, hopefully y'all did enjoy. Definitely drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification. I'll see y'all boys in the next one. So I was backing the truck in, and I just looked in the shop in the direction that I was going, and I was like, holy crap, why the crap are the wheel lights on the Duramax? Well, that's because the same remote controls both, and when they're side by side, I guess, you know, they power both of them. So off, and they're off. We got to have another truck with wheel lights. We'll get them 3 in a row right here, be able to click one button and they perfectly turn on. That would actually be super sick. I love wheel lights. Wheel lights over rock lights, 10 out of 10 every single time.